You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this name, the name of this dessert, as well as how to say more interesting but often confusing food names that many get wrong, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel. Now in Spanish, this is said as dulce de leche. Now in Spanish from Spain, the C of dulce is pronounced with your tongue between your teeth, as a bit like a the sound, dulce de leche, but it'd be fine to pronounce it with an S sound, as in dulce de leche, dulce de leche or dulce de leche. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.